Students, let's we see the example problems of exercise 1.2. Okay, the first example, sixth example, you have to find the LCM and HCF of the numbers 6 and 20 by prime factorization method. Okay, so let prime factorize the number 6. I will get 3. So 6 can be represented as 2 into 3, and 20 by 2 I will get 10, again by 2 I will get 5. So 20 can be expressed as 2 into 2 into 5. So grouping the same factors, I will get the HCF. HCF, the highest common factor here is 2. Okay, and the LCM, I have to take this as complete 1 unit. So I am getting 2, and the left out factors are 3 into 2 into 5. So which means 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So the HCF is 2 and LCM is 60. Students, next the example 7, find the HCF of the numbers 96 and 404 by prime factorization method, and hence find their LCM, right? So the solution here is prime factorizing the numbers 96 and 404. Okay, so first do for 96. Here I will get 48 by 2 24, by 2 12, and by 2 6, by 2 3. So 3 1. Okay, 96 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 1 2 3 4 5, 5 2s, 1 2 3 4 and 5 and 3. Okay, then for 404 we will get 202. So again 101. So 101 is a prime number. 404 can be written as 2 into 2 into 101. 404 is equal to 2 into 2 into 101, right? So grouping the common factors, I am getting 2 sets, right? So highest common factor is 2 into 2, this set into this set. So I am getting as 4. Okay, so now I have found the HCF of given two numbers. Using this HCF value, we have to find the LCM. To solve this, we have to know the relationship between the LCM and HCF. So this is nothing but the product of LCM and HCF is equal to the product of given two numbers, right? So the HCF and LCM of the given two numbers is equal to the product of given two numbers, right? So here LCM is unknown, leave it as it is. HCF is 4 and the product of the numbers are 96 into 404. So keep LCM on LHS, right hand side 404 divided by 4, this 4 goes this side. Okay, so 4 101. So 101 into 96, 606 909 969. So 9696. So I am getting LCM as 9696. Thus the LCM of the numbers 96 and 404 is equal to 9696 and the HCF is 4. Students, next the 8th example, find the HCF and LCM of the numbers 6, 72 and 120 using the prime factorization method. Okay, first for 6 and then for 72 and then for 120. Okay, first 2 3s are 6, then 3 1. So 6 is equal to 2 into 3. For 72, dividing it by 2 I will get 36, and again by 2 18, again by 2 9. So 3 3s are 9, 3 1. 72 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, then 120, 60 by 2 30 by 2 15, then by 3 it gives 5, and by 5 it gives 1. So 120 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So try to get the common factors out. I am having 3 as common, I am having 2 as common and 3 as common. So I can have 2 sets, right? So the HCF between these numbers, 2 into 3, the highest common factor, 2 into 3, I will get 6, and then LCM, right? So here I have to find the LCM between 3 numbers, right? See here, I can group this 2 also. This is one set and this is another set. This is one set, so I will write 2, and this is my second set, I will write into 3, and this is the third set I am having. So I am combining these 2 numbers as 1. So I am writing 1 2, okay. Then this is the fourth set, so I am combining these 2's into 1 2, okay. So into 2, and the left out things are 3 and 5, okay. So product of these numbers, 2 3's are 6, 6 2's are 12, 12 2's are 24, 24 5's are 120, 120 into 3 360. So I am getting 360. So the HCF between these numbers is 6 and the LCM is 360. Students, try these problems by yourself. Example 5 and in exercise 1.2, third sum, third subdivision, okay. Thank you children.